Welcome to Robin's house. Today, this month, in my Cards with Robin, I'm doing a new kind of card. It's kind of like a fun fold card in that it folds down so you can mail it, or folds down so you could mail it. But when you get it, it pops up. So I just wanted to show you quickly how to recreate this card because it's super fun. So what you do is you take your cardstock, and in this case, I have it at 5¼ inches high. So I'm going to go ahead and score it at 5¼ so that it's ready to go. I mean, cut it at 5¼ and then, well, we may need that. So, and then I'm just going to be scoring. So in this card, you do the main panels are 1½ inches each. And then you're going to go up ½ inch. You're going to go across 1 inch and you're going to go ½ inch again. So what we do is we start at 1½. Go ahead and score that. Then we're going to move it to 2 inches. So we do ½ inch thing. Then we'll move it to 3 inches. Move it to 3½. And then we'll do 1½ again. So it ends up at 5. Oh, and that was supposed to be a cut. So there's a cut. So then what you do is you fold it so that the middle piece is up at the top. So you fold it so that it's like that. And then when it's time to put onto the card base, you only put glue on these two panels here. And then you carefully put one panel down and then move this other panel over so it's equidistant on all the sides. And then while it's still wet, go ahead and move your what ends up being the cross piece, move it a couple times so that you know that it will fall flat before you secure it down when you're happy. So that is super cool. And then you just have to decorate the sides and it's ready to go. How fun is that? Very fun Easter blessings card. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.